Let me tell you this. If you're tired of feeling stuck, unfulfilled, or like life is passing you by, it's time to make a decision. A decision to refuse to sit on the sidelines of your own existence. The life you're yearning for isn't some distant dream. It's already within your reach. You just need to align your mind, your heart, and your spirit to claim it. Here's the truth I want you to embrace. God's vision for your life is limitless. He didn't create you to live small, to settle, or to stay stuck. He created you for greatness. But here's the thing. It's your belief system that decides how much of that vision you allow into your life. Let me tell you this. Every time you say, "I can't," you're not just doubting yourself. You're doubting the God who made you. When you think, "I'm not good enough," or "I don't deserve this," you're building walls around your blessings. But those walls aren't real. They crumble the moment you decide to stop believing in them. Let me tell you something that is certain. God wants you to succeed. He is not a distant, indifferent force. He is the source of infinite love and boundless power, and He desires nothing more than for you to rise into the fullness of who you were created to be. You've probably heard the phrase, "With God, all things are possible." But I want you to pause and truly feel the weight of that truth. Think about it. If you genuinely believe that God is on your side, what could hold you back? Now, I want you to write this down. When I align with God's vision, all things become possible. Knowing who God is, His infinite power, wisdom, and love, unlocks your own potential. Because here's the secret. You are a reflection of Him. When you know God, you understand your power. When you know yourself, you embody it. Together, that knowledge becomes unstoppable. Here's where the transformation deepens. When you truly know who God is, the infinite creator, the source of all life, wisdom, and power, then there's no stopping you. But it doesn't stop there. Knowing yourself is equally critical. You are not separate from God. You are a reflection of His divine essence. Once you know God and understand who you are, a being created in His image, imbued with His power, you become unstoppable. Now, I hear you asking me, but how do I know what God's plan is or what my own plan is? Know this. The next step in reinvention is learning to act from inspiration, not desperation. Let me tell you this. Action taken from stress, anxiety, or fear will only lead you further from your purpose. But when you silence your mind, when you create space to connect with God and hear the quiet whispers of your soul, you find clarity. Inspired action isn't forced. It feels natural, almost effortless, because it flows from alignment. You'll know you're on the right path when your actions feel like stepping into something meant for you. To get there, take time to quiet the noise. Meditate, pray, or spend time in stillness. The answers you're searching for aren't outside of you. They're already within. Neville Goddard said, "What you assume to be true will harden into fact." Let me assure you, your assumptions about yourself, your life, and your possibilities shape your reality. So, assume greatness, assume abundance, assume that you are divinely guided because you are. Write this down. My beliefs shape my reality. It's not just a theory, it's the truth. Your subconscious mind is like a blueprint for your life, and everything you experience is built on it. So ask yourself, what beliefs am I holding on to? Are they empowering or are they holding me back? Here's something I want you to remember. Those beliefs didn't come from you. They came from your past, your environment, and other people's opinions. But just because they were handed to you doesn't mean you have to keep them. You have the power to rewrite your story. The moment you let go of limiting beliefs, you create space for God's vision to unfold in your life. Reinventing yourself isn't about adding more. It's about releasing what no longer serves you. It's about aligning with the truth of who you are and the limitless possibilities God has already placed within you. Write this down. I am not becoming someone new. I am returning to who I've always been. Let me leave you with this. The life you desire isn't out of reach. It's already within you, waiting to be claimed. So take this moment to decide. Will you continue to sit on the sidelines, or will you step into your power and create the life you were meant to live? With God, all things are possible. And with belief in yourself, there's no limit to what you can achieve.